Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript with React. Using TypeScript with React allows you to write type safe and more maintainable React application. Here is a detailed guide how to set up and use TypeScript with React. First we want to open Visual Studio Code and then open new terminal and then type npx create React app and the name of the app. Here I am using my app and then template, and then we want to give TypeScript npx create React app and the name of the app, my app, template and TypeScript. If I press enter, it will take some time to install React. After installing, go to the file where you are directed, just drag and drop the file and then go to terminal. See, we are getting the React app with TypeScript. TSX means TypeScript, and see, we are getting tsconfig.json file also. After this, we want to create a new file inside the source hello.tsx. Inside that, I am going to write a code for React. Import, we want to import React from React and then interface hello props name string. Here I am using arrow function, return and say that I am going to create a div hello name. Next, I am export default hello, and then I am going to import in app.tsx. Here first I am going to import React from React, and then I am going to import dot slash app.css, and then I am going to import hello from dot slash hello. Now I am going to create an app const app react.fc equal to arrow function return div. Here I am going to give a class name as class name app. And say that I am going to give a header of class name app slash header. Inside that hello, I am going to give a name React with TypeScript. If I save this and if I run the code, and also we want to export default app. For the running the application in the terminal, we want to give npm start. See, we are getting hello React with TypeScript. Like this, we want to do React with TypeScript. Using TypeScript with React allows you to write type-safe and more maintainable React application. By following these steps, you can set up and start using TypeScript with React in your projects. Thank you.